Hi, welcome to Tag Arcade, and this is my weekly development blog. So I created my website, tagarcade.com, and I just created a simple layout. So so far under vlogs is nothing because I'm actually recording my first vlog right now. Nothing for tips and tutorials, still under constructions, but I do have a game here. As you can see, it actually doesn't work on Google Chrome, so you got to use Internet Explorer, Firefox, or Opera. So let's go ahead and start up Google, not Google Chrome, but Internet Explorer. Uh, let's go to tagarcade.com to load up the Unity plugin. So, as you can see, it is definitely currently under development. It's very buggy, and it's my first game. So, with the game number one. So, if you do a single player, you try to use the arrow keys, nothing happens. Press any keys, actually, nothing happens. You try to use this virtual joystick, absolutely nothing happens. You could, okay, so I could go to main menu, that's good. Um, Also, I could pause the game, resume, pause, quit, uh, say no, and resume. So I have this functionality right here. The reason why uh, this doesn't work is because I coded everything for touch controls, so the virtual analog stick will work on iOS and Android when I sort of built it for it. But since I'm showing this to you on the web browser, yeah, I completely forgot to um, have it respond to your mouse clicks. So that's why that's going on. Uh, but you could actually still play it. So in order to play it, you actually have to go into the options menu and go to where it says config gamepad. So under config gamepad, right now your swipes don't do anything. And if you switch to either swipe or gamepad, there's actually no detection between the two. So it really doesn't affect it right now. Um, So you could definitely bind the keys so that up could be the up arrow, down could be down, left, right, and P for pause. Or if you want, you could do like W, S, A, D. Hit back, back. And now when you play the game, hey, you could actually move around and try not to get hit. So try to survive. So that's the name of the game, try to survive and not getting hit by these red dots. So if you try to pause it by pressing the P key, fortunately I didn't get the pause button to work just yet. Um, but yeah, so pretty much you could play the game. If you want to pause, you have to hit the top right hand corner as of right now. And yeah, hit resume and just keep on playing, see how long you can survive. Um, so yeah, some of the graphical glitches is this little virtual analog stick. This circle isn't really supposed to go past this circle, but it is. So things to fix is definitely to have like the P button actually pause the controls or pause the game. I mean, maybe including a high score here. Also, maybe when you first run it, instead of having to go into options and to configure gamepad, maybe by default, I'm just gonna have it up arrow, down arrow, left and right, and P for pause. So those are the initial steps. I do want to try to add in a few more game modes into it, and we'll see how far I get. So until next time, have fun, and yeah, see you next time.